found an amazing solution to hiccups on the TikTok shop. It's the Hick-Away. This little straw right here will take away your hiccups almost every time, and you don't even have to hold your breath. It's an adult and a child mode for both adults and children. Stick it into some water, have it on the right mode for an adult or child, and then you just drink out of it as hard as you can for like 2 or 3 times, and boom, hiccups are gone. They've done clinical trials on this. 92% of the time it's effective, and this was on Shark Tank. So this is a winner, guys. If you or anyone in your family has hiccups a lot, this is a must-have. It's 25% off on the TikTok shop right now, so click the bag right now and get it on TikTok while it's still on discount.